Most contractors get this wrong when comparing Square and Jobber. They assume both tools are built for the same purpose, so they just pick whichever one is more popular or easier to set up. Here's the truth no one tells you. Square and Jobber are designed for very different parts of your business. Choosing the wrong one can leave gaps in your workflow that slow down your jobs and delay payments. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Square and Jobber compare in 2026, what each one is best at, and which one actually makes sense for contractors. Let's start with Square. Square is mainly a payment and point-of-sale system. It is designed to help you accept payments quickly, whether in person or online. If you are a contractor like John who finishes a job and needs to collect payment on the spot, Square makes that process fast and simple. It also includes basic invoicing and scheduling features, but those are not its strongest areas. But here's the problem. Square is not built for complex field service management. If you are juggling multiple technicians, scheduling jobs across different locations, or managing detailed customer histories, Square starts to feel limited very quickly. Now let's talk about Jobber. Jobber is built specifically for field service contractors. It focuses on scheduling, dispatching, quoting, job tracking, and customer communication. Imagine Alex running a small plumbing business with 3 technicians. With Jobber, he can assign jobs, track progress, send quotes, and automatically send invoices after the job is completed. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber also integrates with payment systems, including Square in many cases, which means you can actually use both together instead of choosing only one. This is where most people fail. They try to force a payment tool to handle full business operations or use a field service tool as their only payment system. That usually creates gaps in either scheduling or cash flow. So the real difference is simple. Square is best for payments and quick transactions. Jobber is best for managing your entire field service workflow from booking to completion. If you are a solo contractor who mainly needs fast payments and simple invoicing, Square might be enough. But if you are managing multiple jobs, technicians, or recurring clients, Jobber is the stronger long-term choice. In many real businesses, the best setup is not either or. It is using Jobber to manage operations and Square to handle payments quickly in the field. So which should you choose? If your main goal is getting paid fast with minimal setup, go with Square. If your goal is organizing jobs, scaling your team, and improving workflow, Jobber is the better option for 2026. The key takeaway is simple. Square helps you collect money. Jobber helps you run your business efficiently. If this comparison helped you understand Square versus Jobber, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more contractor software breakdowns, and comment what type of work you do, so I can help you choose the right setup.